Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the extraordinary Elon Musk XAI model Grok. So you might be curious how it is different and how it is revolutionizing the AI industry. You will find all the answers in this video. First and foremost, Grok AI has been designed focusing on the real-time applications such as Twitter or X, and also you can get the human-like responses back as similar as the chat GPT. Or if you want to do any kind of real-time analysis, you can do it through the Grok AI models. You can use it for business, or any developer can use it for the development purpose seamlessly using the Grok models. So what if I tell you that the Grok AI has been envisioned such a way that transparency, safety, and trustworthy has been inbuilt. So one particular feature which stands out in the Grok models is this particular one, which is a tweet or messages on the X or Twitter. So user will get real-time trends and messages so that you can use them, stay ahead of the curve in social media engagements. So the another which interesting feature is the real-time data interpretation. I'm asking this question here. I would like to understand what is going on in the financial market or any breaking news or any other like sports news details. So I am asking this prompt now. We will get to know what is happening in the real time. So these are the details. Bitcoin has reached to its peaks. You can also see other details here to understand the current latest breaking news and the sports related information. Before moving further, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Niranjan. I have been creating valuable AI content. If you find value in this video, I would recommend you to subscribe to this channel. Another very interesting feature is that the Grok AI models are multimodal understanding support is available, so it can generate the images as well. So this is one image which it has generated. We can also ask any custom message or custom prompt to generate a different kind of image. So once this is generated, I can put one more prompt so that it can generate very interesting Grok logo itself. Let's see how it will looks. So it is looking good. Mount Fuji, very colorful and attractive. So let me put in my prompt here. So I'm trying to create a futuristic Grok logo itself, the AI chatbot logo. So let's see how it generates it. So it is taking few seconds to generate it. So yeah, it is generating all robotic kind of face. So yeah, details are there, but not that much interesting. So it is okay. So it's not that impressive. Grok AI also supports API based interactions. So we can use APIs and call the API to get the response back in any language. At present, everyone gets the $25 credit every month. Maybe I don't know how long it will be available, but for now it is available. And you can use this credit and you can generate responses. And to create any kind of text-based responses, I'm following this document from XAI. So we can use this kind of curl command, or I'm using Python to generate the response. Here is the one particular code where I'm just trying to see what kind of different models are available from Grok. So I'm just trying to get the models from the XAI V1 models. So I'm running this. We got the response here. So we have Grok 2 and we also have Grok 2 vision model. I don't know at present how to access it. And also we have Grok beta and we have vision beta as well. Okay, so to run this code, we need to have the uh, X API key and also the X API endpoint. So at present, I have configured the API key here in the environment variables as a variable name called XAI API key so that you can run it. Apart from that, I am trying to generate a response for a prompt which I have passed as a code. So here I'm using the endpoint chart completion. and I'm reusing this API key. And here is the message where I'm using the role as system. Also, I'm using role as user. I'm passing the prompt which I got it from the user, or which is me, and the model what I'm using is Grok 2. And here is the prompt. We would like to write a tweet about importance of AI in finance. So let's see what response we will get it. So this is the complete response in the JSON format, and the actual response will be somewhere here in the content. So this is the content. So instead of reading through complete JSON, I have pasted or printed the response here. This had generated a short 250 or 280 character length tweet, which I can use it and I can publish it on the Twitter or X now. I have found a solution to use the Grok vision version model. So let me show you this. So there also I found a way to use the model instead of just running it from the request a Python method or Python library. Here I'm using OpenAI library to pass the base URL and API token so that I can run the models using the OpenAI library. So here is the code where I'm trying to pass the API key, Grok API key, in fact, also the API URL, and I'm using OpenAI chart completion create. So I'm passing the Grok model 2, and I'm just creating a sample uh, message or role details here, and I'm trying to print the response what we will get it from the Grok here. In fact, though it says OpenAI, but it's pointing to the Grok URL, and I'm trying to check how the this particular image will be interpreted, and it will return the response back here. So I'm trying to encode that into base 64 image, and I'm passing that to the model here. And also I'm using the Grok 2 vision model, and I'm putting a system message saying that you are a helpful system to read the image and respond back with the response. So, and the user prompt is, can you explain the image here? So let me run this and see what response we will get it. So the meaning of the life it has given, and also the image, it is showing brown hair color, wearing shiny metal outfit with mix of purple tear colors. Background appears modern. Yeah. So it is able to explain this particular image properly. So it looks like we have a way to call the vision models using OpenAI as well. So that's all what I would like to share it in this video. If you find this video helpful, like it, comment and subscribe so that this video is helpful to the other people who is interested to learn about AI. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video.